Aries Tool Spanner Wrench Extender. Ever struggled with a stubborn nut that your wrench just can't reach? Instead of welding a rod to extend it and risking damage, there's an easier solution. The Aries Spanner Wrench Extender. This handy tool instantly transforms your regular wrench by extending its handle to 38 centimeters, giving you extra leverage to loosen even the toughest bolts with less effort. The longer the handle, the more power you get, making your job much easier. Designed with a strong steel jaw, it securely grips different wrench sizes and types, including adjustable wrenches, so you don't need a special set to make it work. Bosch PFS 7000. Fast, powerful, and easy painting. Painting large areas can be a hassle, but the Bosch PFS 7000 makes it quick and effortless. With a powerful 1400-watt motor, this paint sprayer is one of the best in its class, capable of covering 4 square meters in just 1 minute. Whether you're working with paint or varnish, it ensures a smooth and even coat every time. No more frequent refilling. This tool comes with 2 1-liter containers, so you can work longer without interruptions. Plus, the 4-meter hose gives you plenty of freedom to move around, making it ideal for painting walls, furniture, fences, and more. Unlike traditional rollers and brushes, this sprayer delivers a flawless finish with minimal effort. Bosch, a trusted name in tools, has designed the PFS 7000 for both DIYers and professionals who want a high-performance painting solution. Can-Am AccuJust Corner Finishers. Getting perfect corners has never been easier. The Can-Am AccuJust Corner Finishers are designed to handle angles from 72 degrees to 135 degrees, making them a must-have tool for drywall professionals. Some retailers even claim it's the only patented option worldwide with this wide range, giving it a unique edge in the industry. These finishers are built for speed and precision, allowing you to blend both edges of a joint in just one pass. Special guides ensure smooth operation, making the process effortless and delivering consistently clean results. Whether you're working on standard drywall projects or more complex angles, this tool helps you get the job done faster and with greater accuracy. For those who want a touch of luxury, there's even a gold anodized version, but it comes at a higher price of $555. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, a standard version is available for $385. Distance 7-in-1 Workbench, the ultimate all-in-one workstation. Why clutter your workspace with multiple tools when one can do it all? The Distance 7-in-1 Workbench is a must-have for DIYers, mechanics, and handymen. It transforms into a scaffold, workbench, platform, trolley, and even a car creeper, making it incredibly versatile for various tasks. Designed for durability, it supports up to 150 kilograms, handling tough jobs with ease. You can adjust the height to either 52 centimeters or 80 centimeters, ensuring comfort for different projects. The tabletop is made from durable plastic, while the legs are lightweight aluminum, and the frame is reinforced with steel for added strength. What makes it even better? It includes a built-in ruler and protractor, helping you measure and cut with precision. Despite its multifunctionality, this workbench is surprisingly affordable at just $140. Whether you're fixing a car, working on home improvement, or need a reliable scaffold, this tool has you covered. DIY Hydraulic Trolley Jack. What if you could build your own heavy-duty car jack instead of buying one? That's exactly what one DIYer did, creating a powerful hydraulic trolley jack entirely from scratch in his garage. The design is simple but effective. 2 strong metal beams connected by a bolt, with a hydraulic piston that lifts the upper section up to 60 centimeters. Small wheels make it easy to roll the jack under a vehicle, just like a store-bought version. But does it actually work? The creator put it to the test by lifting a Toyota Hilux pickup and a Land Cruiser 200 SUV, both weighing nearly 3 tons. While he didn't fully extend the hydraulic cylinder, the fact that it handled such a massive load is seriously impressive for a homemade tool. This project proves that with the right materials, creativity, and engineering skills, you can build reliable equipment yourself. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just love DIY challenges, this homemade trolley jack is a great example of how innovation and craftsmanship can come together to create something truly useful. Drillies. Say goodbye to the struggle of drilling into wooden sleepers. Drillies makes the job unbelievably smooth, cutting through like butter. It's a game changer for railroad maintenance teams, prepping a hole in just 3 to 5 seconds. And if you're an expert, you can do it in only 2. No more dealing with messy hydraulics or heavy hoses. This drill is completely cordless, giving you total freedom of movement. A single charge powers through over 120 holes, making it both powerful and efficient. Plus, at just 17 kilograms, it's lightweight enough for easy handling without sacrificing performance. Garage side parking sensor. Tired of worrying about scratching your car while parking? If your car's built-in sensors aren't doing the job, the garage side parking sensor is a simple and effective solution. This smart device attaches to your garage door and warns you when you're getting too close to the wall. The moment your mirror or fender is at risk, it flashes a red light and sounds a beep, helping you stop just in time. No more dents, scratches, or expensive repairs. The sensor runs on 4 AA batteries, but you can also connect an external battery via USB for longer use. Installation is super easy. Everything you need, including screws and brackets, is included. In just a few minutes, you'll have a reliable parking guide right in your garage. At just $32, this small gadget can save you hundreds in repair costs. Whether you're dealing with a tight parking space or just want extra peace of mind, this sensor is a must-have. Gladiator Gear Track Packs. Is your garage a chaotic mess with tools, wires, or sports gear scattered everywhere? The Gladiator Gear Track system is the perfect way to organize everything neatly on your walls, freeing up space and keeping things within easy reach. This smart wall-mounted system comes with customizable hooks, allowing you to store anything from wrenches and hammers to guitars, amps, and even gym equipment. Available in standard and extra-large sizes, it adapts to whatever you need to hang. Whether it's small J-hooks for everyday tools or heavy-duty hooks strong enough to hold a dumbbell, GearTrack has a solution. GM6 Lynx, a folding sniper rifle with serious power. The GM6 Lynx is a powerful and compact sniper rifle made by Hungarian experts. What sets it apart is its smart bullpup design, where the firing system is built into the rear of the gun, making it shorter without losing power. Gyrojet, the rocket gun that tried to change the game. Back in the 1960s, American engineers at MB Associates wanted to create a new kind of weapon, one that was powerful but super quiet. Their solution was the Gyrojet, a gun that fired tiny rockets instead of traditional bullets. It worked more like a mini rocket launcher than a regular firearm. When fired, it didn't make a loud bang, just a soft hiss, making it one of the quietest guns ever made. The idea sounded amazing, but in practice, the Gyrojet had a lot of problems. Accuracy was a big issue. Even at just 100 meters, about 328 feet, the rocket could miss the target by 7 to 10 feet. Misfires were also a common problem, with at least one failure in every 100 shots, even in perfect conditions. To make things worse, a 1968 U.S. law banned civilian use of ammo over 12 millimeters, and the Gyrojet used 13 by 50 millimeter rounds. Redesigning the ammo would have been too costly, so the company gave up on the project. Though it failed commercially, the Gyrojet is still remembered as one of the most creative and unusual firearms ever made, a bold attempt to change how guns work. Tired of carrying multiple charging cables? Meet InCharge X, a tiny but powerful all-in-one cable that fits right on your keychain. It's designed to replace the mess of different wires by combining 6 cable types in a single compact gadget. This versatile adapter includes USB, USB-C, Apple Lightning, and micro USB connectors, making it compatible with almost any device. Whether you need to charge your smartphone, tablet, or even a MacBook Pro, InCharge X has you covered. It can power up a MacBook in just over an hour and also boosts data transfer speeds for quick file sharing. One of its coolest features is phone-to-phone charging, letting you use one device to power another in an emergency. Despite its impressive functionality, this handy little tool costs just $14, about the price of a couple of coffees. Lightweight, durable, and incredibly useful, InCharge X is perfect for travelers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a clutter-free way to keep their devices charged. No more tangled cables. Just clip it to your keychain and stay powered up wherever you go. Quick Gripper. Remove nails and screws the easy way. Need to pull out nails, screws, or staples without damaging the wood? The Quick Gripper makes it simple. This compact tool can even remove bolts sticking out just 3.2 millimeters, and it works even if the heads are completely cut off. Designed for tight spaces, it reaches where regular tools can't, making it perfect for DIYers, carpenters, and anyone tackling repairs. Its smart design provides a firm grip, reducing the risk of splintering or cracking wood. Plus, it's not just a remover. This tool doubles as a handy mini hammer for light tapping jobs. On top of that, there's a built-in crowbar, adding even more functionality. Whether you're fixing furniture, pulling out old nails, or salvaging materials, the Quick Gripper is a must-have. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, it saves time and effort while keeping your materials intact. No more struggling with stubborn nails or screws. Just grab the Quick Gripper and get the job done quickly and efficiently. Makita Top Handle Chainsaw. Don't let its small size fool you. The Makita DU254Z is a serious tool. This lightweight, cordless chainsaw is designed for convenience, making it perfect for professionals and DIYers who need a powerful yet easy-to-handle saw. Weighing just 2.6 kilograms, it's the lightest in its class, which makes it incredibly comfortable to use, especially when working at heights. Unlike bulky gas-powered chainsaws, this one is completely cordless, so you won't have to deal with fuel, fumes, or tangled wires. Pixie. Meet Pixie, the tiny flying camera that makes capturing amazing shots easier than ever. This pocket-sized drone is designed for simplicity, no remote control needed. Just set it up, place it in your palm, and watch it take off on its own. It hovers, snaps stunning photos, and gently lands back in your hand, all without any effort on your part. Due to its small size, Pixie has a limited flight time. The manufacturer estimates it can handle about 5 to 8 launches per charge, with 3 to 4 minutes of actual flight time. But don't worry, the battery is removable, so you can carry extras and keep the fun going. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly user-friendly, Pixie is perfect for travel, adventures, or everyday moments. Whether you're exploring new places or just want a quick and easy way to take aerial selfies, this drone does the job without the hassle of complicated controls. Priced at $260, it's a fun and practical gadget for anyone who loves creative photography. Just launch, snap, and land. Pixie takes care of the rest.